If you're out at the ball game and you're wanting to video it with your action camera or your phone, and there's a fence right here, or somewhere like this, enjoying the afternoon and not having to hold the camera, or you're out here on the soccer field practicing and you want to record the practices. You may be into fishing like I am, but as long as you have a tree, a fence, a post, really anything to attach a bungee cord to, this is for you. Introducing the upgraded model of the fence mount. This one has a battery holder on it, it says. Look, we have a nice little carrying pouch, our phone holder, our thumb screws for our action camera part. And it comes with a short USB to USB-C cord. And here's the mount. Has these bungee cord attachments. You can connect this to a fence, wrap it around a tree or a post, whatever you have. Let's get this set up and we'll take a closer look at it. Now these mounts you can slide in and out. You just squeeze that and it will slide right out. Same thing with this other end. Squeeze those and it will slide out. This one is adjustable where you can loosen off your thumb screw and this will pivot around. Remember, this does come with additional thumb screws and an additional mount. I didn't even see that in there a while ago. It has an additional mount. Put this in there. Slide that into place. And we'll mount our phone holder. Now the neat thing about this is you can put a power pack on here. Mine's a bit large. Let's see if it'll fit. Oh yeah. It'll fit and it will hold it. Now the idea behind this is to use these power packs to plug it in to your camera. That way the battery does not drain on you. And some brands of action cameras are notorious for short battery life. Now we'll want to use one of our thumb screws here. We'll just put on here. Okay, what you'll have to do, because it comes like this, there's a screw in this bottom here, and you will have to take that screw out, which I've already done. And this will be like tight, but it does come apart. You just have to work it a little bit, and it'll come apart. You just take that, turn it at the angle that you need, put it back in place, and then you put the screw back in. So there we go. Get that back together, put our phone mount back on here, or rather our power bank, get back on there, and just slide it back into place until it locks in. We can flip that up. See, I put it like this, and now I can run the cord out and run it straight into my action camera. But you can also put a phone on here, and this has a cold shoe on it, so you can put another device like a light on top of that if you needed to. So we could run it like this, put this on there like so, run our USB right here, our other end right there, and now we are charging. Now the cool thing about this is it has the bungee cord straps on here. So you can put this around a post like that, or you could put it onto a chain link fence of sorts, or you could just hang it. Let's see if we can get this hung up over here. I'll just kind of show you. Like that. And there you go. You know, if you wanted to video the kids in the backyard playing or whatever, or if for whatever reason you want to video your backyard, or like I said, at the baseball game, if you're out fishing, soccer practice, whatever. Very versatile.